Hello children, myself Sanjay Kumar Gupta, teacher of science and mathematics in St. Michael's Academy Betia. I am welcoming you all in the e-learning class. Students, today I am going to teach you class 6 math chapter 1, knowing numbers. It's very easy to know about numbers. You have read already in previous classes. Numbers are a group of digits. Digits, suppose you have given 2, 3, 5, 6. These are called digits. But when we make them together, 2, 3, 5, 6, then it will be a number. Means 2356. This is the 4 digits number. बच्चों, अभी आपने जो देखा, इसमें आपको अंक और संख्या के बारे में बताया गया। अंक जैसे ये हो गए आपके डिजिट्स, इनको हम क्या बोलेंगे? अंक। और इनके मिलने से जो चीज बना उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? संख्या या नंबर। नाउ वी हैव टू लर्न अबाउट कंपेयरिंग numbers. There are 2 numbers are given. Suppose 5, 6, 7, 8 and 4, 5, 7, 8. There are 2 numbers are given, 5678 and 4578. In these 2 numbers, you can find differences that the extreme left number is 5, while this is the extreme number in this one is 4. So you get that 5 is greater than 4. It tells that if 5 is greater than 4 means the number 5678 is greater than 4578. क्योंकि आपने देखा कि जो सबसे बाईं तरफ का नंबर था वो बड़ा था, और इसलिए जबकि दूसरे वाले में क्या था कि सबसे बाईं ओर का नंबर कम है, इसलिए पहला नंबर क्या होगा? ये बड़ा हो जाएगा। There are 2 rules of comparing the numbers. First rule, first of all we compare according to the number of digits between 2 or more numbers. Digits, as I told you earlier, मैंने बताया कि digits मतलब अंक। जैसे तो पहले रूल में आपने क्या देखा कि पहले रूल में बताया गया कि जैसे कि अगर हम पहले क्या करेंगे? संख्याओं को चुनेंगे कि संख्याएं जितनी अधिक होंगी वह नंबर उतना ही अधिक होगा। जैसे 835 and 2835. So in the first one there are 3 digits, while in second one there are 4 digits. So second number is greater than first one because second number is containing more digits than the first one. चूंकि दूसरा नंबर पहले नंबर से अधिक अंकों को धारण कर रहा है, इसलिए दूसरे नंबर को हम बड़ा मानेंगे। और जब यही प्रक्रिया जब उल्टी हो जाएगी तो हम उसको छोटा मानेंगे ना। बट इन रूल सेकेंड, when two numbers having same digits, then we compare them by comparing the digits from extreme left to the right, which number is greater and which is smaller. मतलब तो वैसे संख्याएं जिनमें अंक तो समान हो, लेकिन आगे के अंकों में कुछ अंक छोटे या बड़े हो सकते हैं। जैसे अगर हम इस नंबर की बात करें 83,451 एंड 84,451, तो इसमें हम क्या पा रहे हैं कि फर्स्ट नंबर 8 and here first digit also 8, means both are equal. In second digit of the first number is 3, while the second digit of second number is 4. So we get that 3 is less than 4. Means even the first digit is equal, but the second digit is unbalanced. They are unbalanced, and so we say that the first one is less than the second one. And same process will be done with another as 25,291 and 25,297 again. So here we find that in both 2 equal to 5 equal 5, 2 equal to 9 equal 9, but 1 is less than 7. Means in the first number, first 4 digits from the left side are same, but the last one of the first digit is less than the second one's number, because here is 1 and here is 7. So we say that the first number is less than the second one. Now we have to know about formation. Now we consider on some other examples. So children, you can see in the first number 2,525 and in the second number 2,563, 2 digits at the place of ones and at the place of tens are smaller than the second one. So it shows that 2,525 is less than 2,563. In second example, we see that the first number from the left side is 8, while the first number from the left side in second number is 3, means it shows that 8 is greater than 3, means it shows that the number 81,575 is greater than 31,575 as it is greater than 3. And in the next number given 9,23,592 is given here, and in second number 9,23,582 is given here. So we find that 9 and 9 are equal, 2 and 2 are equal, 3 and 3 are equal, and 5 and 5 are equal. Again we get 9 is greater than 8. While you get the extreme right sided number, means one place number is 2, which are equal. This shows that 9 is greater than 8. So the first number means कि 9,23,592 is greater than 9,23,580. So children, आपको क्या करना है कि जब भी आप नंबर को कंपेयर करते हैं, उनके बीच तुलना करते हैं, तो आप हर संख्या, हर अंकों को देखिए, उस संख्या में हर अंक से तुलना करना है, और उस तुलना के बाद आपको यह पता करना है कि किस प्लेस का नंबर दूसरे वाले नंबर से कितना कम या ज्यादा है, और उसी के अनुसार आपको यह तय करना है कि कौन सी संख्या बड़ी या छोटी है. Students, now we have to know about the smallest and greatest numbers. Suppose I have 3 digits, 5, 2, 9. Now I have to form the smallest and greatest number by these 3 digits. So to form the smallest number, first of all we have to choose the least number among them. अब आपको देखना होगा कि इसमें सबसे छोटा कौन सा है. Now the smallest number is 2. So we write 2 at the first place. Then we search which is greater than 2. We get 5, and third is 9. So your smallest number is 259. Second, to find greatest number. So to find the greatest number, we have to search which is the greatest digit among them. The greatest digit is 9. Then the lowest least number is 5, and lowest number is 2. So the greatest number is 952. Children, one thing you have to remember that numbers and digits are different. So during formation of numbers, never use commas. क्योंकि अगर आप कॉमा लगाते हो तो वह फिर डिजिट बन जाता है, वह नंबर नहीं रहता है. और आपको क्या बनाना है? नंबर बनाना है. और नंबर बनाने के लिए आप अगर स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बना रहे हो, चाहे जितने भी डिजिट्स का हो, तो आप सबसे पहले स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाने के लिए सबसे छोटे अंक को चुनते हो, फिर उससे बड़े अंक को, फिर उससे बड़े अंक, और ये इसका ठीक रिवर्स आप किसमें करते हो? ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर बनाने के लिए. ओके, सपोज another number, we take example of another number as 5, 9, 7, 2, 8. To form the smallest number, what you will have to do, as we have seen earlier, we have to take the least digit as 2, then the greatest, the next one is 5. Now greater than 5 is 7, then comes 8, and after that comes 9. So your number is 25,789, and to for the greatest number, just reverse the digits. Means we write 9, 8, 7, 5 and 2. Means 98,752. उसका आसान उपाय यह भी हो सकता है कि आप नंबरों को उनके अंकों के अनुसार सजा दें। जैसे मैंने यहां सजाया कि सबसे छोटा नंबर 2, देन 5, देन 7, then 4 and then 5, and again according to numberings we will write in their appropriate place. Children, now you have to know about place value and face value. Place value means at what position a number has been given, and face value means what the number is. Means कि place value मतलब स्थानीय मान and face value means अंकित मान. As you have read about it in previous classes, class 4 and class 5. So suppose I am taking a number 6,23,951. The to make a place value, it's easier to write their places as ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and lakh. After that, we consider about the digits. And suppose I am taking a digit 3. So to find the place value of 3, we choose at what position it is. So as place means at what position, and face means detail. So to find the place value of 3, we write here place value of 3 is equal to 3,000, because it is situated at the 1,000 place. It's very easy to write. What we have to do? Okay, first we write the required number, then we count how many digits are there after the given number. So there are 3 digits after 3 as 1, 2, 3, and according to these digits we write 3 zeros. अब हम क्या करते हैं? सपोज करो तुमको 9 लेना है, 9 का प्लेस वैल्यू बताना है, तो हम क्या करेंगे कि पहले 9 लिख लेंगे और इसके बाद 9 के बाद हम देखेंगे कि कितने डिजिट्स है। तो 1, 2, तो हम क्या कर दिए 2 लिख दिए, यानी कि 900 प्लेस वैल्यू हो गई। तो प्लेस वैल्यू स्थानीय मान एंड फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 3, तो फेस मीन्स अंकित, एज आवर फेस नेवर चेंजेज, हमारे जिस तरह से चेहरे नहीं बदलते हैं उसी तरह से अंकों के मान भी नहीं बदलते हैं। यह अंक चाहे कहीं भी रहेगा, किसी भी प्लेस पर रहेगा, ऑलवेज बी रिमेन्स सेम, एज फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 3 विल बी 3, whether it is at hundreds place, it is at thousand place, it is at lakh place, everywhere it will remain same. Children, in the next video we will learn about other objective related to this chapter.